Whether you're just starting out or well on your way as a professional writer, director, actor, or editor, I'd love to hear about the challenges that you're facing. I'm here to help. Learn from the mistakes that I've made. Let's locate your unique voice and bring it to the screen. These are my adventures in cinema, and I hope you enjoy them. There's one department, in all the departments of what it goes into making a movie, the editing room is the place where everything comes together. So if I have to learn how to make a film, I have to learn how to edit. And it's actually, I think, it's one of the few correct decisions I made very early on in my career, is to just jump into the editing room and understand. And what I started understanding very quickly as I was learning how to edit is how long do you hold a shot on an actor's face? And how long does it take for an audience to get what's going on? When do you cut and move on to the next shot? All of these things were extremely similar, if not exactly an overlap, with the work of an actor. Because an actor on stage, for example, if you think about it, has to be an editor. You know, how long to hold a moment before you give the next line? How quickly do you overlap with the other person's dialogue if you need to interrupt somebody? How with a sort of a flick of an eyebrow or a slight twitch of your face can you communicate something really quickly? Etc., etc., etc. And all of these things, when you're an editor, you're watching the eyes of the actor, you're watching inflections, you're watching moments, you're watching changes, twitches, and you're cutting. And a lot of the times I've had to take scenes from a completely different part of, I had to take performances from a completely different part of the film, forget about the scene, and put it into a certain scene in which I didn't have a shot, and made that scene work. So I think all actors, in fact, would make great editors if they decided to go down that road. And I think all good editors can make wonderful screenwriters and directors. Because what is screenwriting at the end of the day? Screenwriting is editing before the movie is shot. That's what it is. You have all these scenes that you put up there, and if you take all your great scenes and you go to an experienced editor, which I seriously recommend all screenwriters should do this, go to the most experienced editor you can find and say, this is my screenplay, and then take the feedback from that person, because that person will be able to tell you which of these scenes is going to hit the editing flaw, i.e. it's not going to be part of the film. And that person can save you a huge amount of time, energy, money while you're shooting, just by looking at a screenplay and telling you what is going to be required and what is not going to be required.